मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती। है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन, है वतन।
We have 2 days, one Independence Day and Republic Day. This is a pride moment that students, we are filled with pride.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
To the top of the pole.
गम न लेकिन गुलामी का दर।
I request all of you to give a grand clap. Please give a grand clap. And start the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता।
Thank you, Shruti Shah and her group. Now, we can see the flag is fluttering in the sky.
Dhruva
A great many thanks to Supriya Kumari. Now, I would like to request Krishna Mohan from class 9 to deliver a speech. Krishna Mohan.
गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। मेरा नाम कृष्ण मोहन है और आज मैं यहाँ अपनी कुछ विचारधारा को रखने जा रहा हूँ। हमारा गणतंत्र ही हमारा संविधान है। हमारा गणतंत्र ही हमारा संविधान है। भारतीय होने का है अभिमान। आज हम भारतीय गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहे हैं। यह भारतीयों के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। आज जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, आज के दिन ही 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश में संविधान लागू हुआ। हमारा दिन और यानी 26 जनवरी आज बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। हमारे भारतीय स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने बहुत ही अथक प्रयास सतत और अपने बलिदानों से हमारे देश को आजाद कराया और 26 जनवरी का मौका दिया। 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश का संविधान लागू हुआ। गणतंत्र का अर्थ है कि हमारे देश में रहने वाले नागरिकों को अपने राजनेता और प्रतिनिधि को चुनना। हमारे संविधान में नागरिकों के मूल कर्तव्य, नियम और कानूनों का उल्लेख है। इस दिन को भारत सरकार पूरे देश में राष्ट्रपति अवकाश के रूप में घोषित किया गया। विविधता में एकता, विविधता में एकता हमारे देश का अस्तित्व है। विविधता में एकता के अस्तित्व को दिखाने के लिए हमारे देश के विभिन्न राज्यों में झांकियां के माध्यम से हमारे देश की सभ्यता, संस्कृति और प्रगति को दर्शाया जाता है। इन्हीं कुछ शब्दों के साथ मैं वाणी को विराम दूंगा और अंत में अपने नागरिकों से यही कहना चाहूंगा, गणतंत्र दिवस एक लोकतंत्र पर्व है। गणतंत्र दिवस एक लोकतंत्र पर्व है। अपने दिवस संविधान पर हमें गर्व है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
On this auspicious occasion of the Republic Day, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all the teaching and non-teaching staffs and my lovely students. This is one of those 2 days for us to be proud of being born in the land of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy. The other day is the Independence Day. Today is Republic Day. This is the day to pay a tribute to those freedom fighters, those martyrs who sacrificed their lives in the noble deed of freeing our motherland from the oppression of the British. As students, 71 years ago on this very day, we the people of India adopted, enacted and gave ourselves a unique constitution. Constitution is the fundamental principle to run a nation. On 24 January 1950, the Constituent Assembly approved the newly written Constitution. 2 days later, on 26th of January 1950, it came into effect throughout the whole country, promising to ourselves to establish the land as a sovereign, democratic, republic country and secure to all the fellow citizens liberty, equality and fraternity. Students, this day has come after a lot of struggle. Our forefathers had lost their lives to attain the long-dreamed freedom. A galaxy of leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so many others inspired the freedom struggle. They had shed their blood to free India from the cruel foreign rulers. But those British rulers had to bow their head to the strength of the son of this mother India. Martyrs like Khudiram Bose, Sukhdev Rajguru and Bhagat Singh handed over this land to us. We are the free citizens of India. This Republic Day is to remember those unforgotten heroes, to celebrate the day with enthusiasm, patriotism and express respect for the national flag and faith in the Constitution. A great many responsibilities rest on us. The present generation, this is the day to salute to those who stand all day and night, throughout all seasons along the borders, to protect from the enemy. We salute to the frontline workers like nurses, doctors, police, sweepers, and all those who continued their service to the society during the COVID-19 pandemic. For them only, we are fortunate enough to stay alive and defeated the disease. A great feeling of pride in our heart to be in the land where Lord Rama was born, where Lord Buddha was born, through whose bosom the Holy Ganga flows. Students, I would like to convey a message to all of you that pride, respect and patriotism should be nurtured in your mind. Throughout the year, not only on this day is not a mere display of the flag and forget after the event. Perform the duties towards the nation as a responsible citizen. Students, now I'd like to enlist a few things that will make you feel proud of being a student of this school. In my opinion, these points certainly lift the stage of the school to another level. A level of excellence. Besides imparting education, the school is always prepared to take some extraordinary steps so that not a single student feels deprived of the basic right, that is education. There is a long list of those points, but to name a few, the first one which you have personally witnessed, that during the COVID-19 pandemic, academic field was hampered a lot. When classes in the physical sphere of the school was not possible, the school shifted to a digital platforms to ensure your education. I firmly claim that very few schools in the whole district could arrange this facility. In view of the situation, when the government permitted resumption of classes for class 9 to 12, teachers were immediately called to start the classes. To ensure quality education, you have witnessed that management person like me and Swarnim sir started taking classes, and we have still continued it. Formally, you didn't experience such steps. So I say that the school management is sincerely committed to provide the best education in any situation. For the second point, I would like to mention a name of a student with great pride that Aniket Raj, studying in class 12, has achieved the first rank in the state level and the third position in national level in painting competition. Students, I said only one example before you, but the list of the students is long. those who have achieved great success in various fields apart from academic. So this school puts efforts to achieve excellence in the extracurricular activities also. Number third, I firmly claim that this time the school has taken a historic decision in favor of your parents. For all the families, be it rich or underprivileged, for the students of classes nursery to 7, entire fee for the month of April 2020 to January 2021 have been waived off. We are always ready to make sure that once you are enrolled in this school, the responsibility to provide you education in situation is ours. This is a major decision taken by the management. Our first and foremost priority is to ensure education to all the students from all sections of the society. Number 4, today I am going to flag up a new facility for you, that email service is made open to faster communication between the students and the school. Besides app services, you can now access to the email, and through it you can submit assignment, see and download results, syllabus and school materials will be supplied through the school software. And this is for the first time not only in our school but in the district. So our school runs on a parallel track with the best school in major cities in the country. Number 5, your school has already started giving you the training of software training which is used for app development. I can strongly claim that very few schools in the district can provide such facility. Number 6, you have already seen that the school library and the computer lab are a feather on the crown of the pride of the school. And in the coming session, the library and the computer lab will be enriched with more book system, digitization, new softwares and with fully advanced modern facilities. In the near future, you will experience new facilities to make learning easier, and you shall feel your study as a fun learning new things. The school management is working hard day and night to implement many such new things. Now, I am proud of my motherland, and so you be. Say in one voice with me, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.